Hello, this is Zero Gravity with another episode in the Minecraft map, The Lonely Island. I don't like cows, but I don't like sheep even more. Anyway, between episodes, I have replanted my saplings, as you can see, and I put this little thing over the farm because it did grow, but I accidentally stepped on it and realized they're going to go away really fast because there's no water around. So, I am going to do one more thing, and that is grab my wheat, and I am going to record the first piece of bread. We have bread! Too bad I don't have any fireworks, that would make it all worthwhile. Anyway, I'm going to make some torches, and I'm going to clear the weather. I know it's kind of cheating, but I hate this. Okay. There, okay, go away. Go away. Go away, Rain. There, much better. So, I think in this episode is going to be mostly about mining. Yay, mining. And hopefully getting some good materials. And then mine. Going down to our secret little mine at the bottom of the ocean floor. I know, terrible, but whatever. I can say whatever I want. Okay, so go down these stairs that I made in the previous episode, which was actually a very productive episode. If you missed it, you might want to watch it. But I'm going to come down in here to the lava place that I said I didn't want to go to in the other one. Take this tiny bit of iron there, break that. No, please did it fall? Aw, dang it. Should probably be saving up to get a bow, which may or may not be useful, but it's worth having. I don't know if there's any like achievements on this map or anything. One of my friends just said, "Hey Zero, check out this map." So I don't know. It's pretty fun so far. It's definitely worth getting if you don't have it. And I'm going to take some of the string. Looks like nothing. Not really anything of use. Okay, so this side is now checked off. Doesn't look like there's anything up there either. Let's go to this side, just because I want to save that one for that. Okay, and let's grab a little more of this. Grab a little more of this. Put down a torch. And, whoa. Okay. There's nothing here. So we can call this one good. Okay. Oh, I almost just passed up that iron. Okay. I don't really need the rails. I was thinking about it, but I don't believe I need them. I don't need lapis either. Just something cool to have. Maybe put a couple lapis blocks down on the island. Make it look nice. Okay. Wow. This is a very, very long side of the mine. And I'm almost out of torches. Oh no, spawner. Okay. Okay. I need what's in there. Oh yeah, I'm on peaceful. I'm gonna switch to easy for this. Just because it's fair. I have no idea which side the spawner's on. Oh, I see it. Okay, I want to get to the chest. So one on this side too? No, okay. Just this side. Alright, conquering, spawn in. There we go. Wow, that actually gave me quite a bit of experience. Oh jeez, is it cave? No, it's not, okay. Good. I don't like cave spiders. I don't think anyone really does, but wanted to make that clear. Oh, come on. There's no chest. There has to be a chest somewhere. Oh, okay. There we go. Diamonds! Iron! Bread! Melon seeds. I needed those desperately. Well, I didn't need them desperately. I just would very much like to have them. Whoa, this just connects up. Okay. Wait, yep, wait, no, I didn't go down that way. I went down here. Because there's that lapis I got. Okay. So I can just keep going this way then. I don't know. Do I really need anything from in here? Oh, yep, good thing I went down here. There's some iron. Only 2, but 2 can still get me some stuff. Can get me a sword. Alright, so then I would come around here. Okay. Got it. So as soon as I check this off, I'm gonna get this chest. Then I can have a double chest. Everything is better when it's double. Unless it's like an alligator or something, then it's not, but you get my point. I hope. Otherwise you are not intelligent. Whoa, iron. Okay, I'm totally lost now. I think. I might be able to get back. We'll find out how good of a sense of direction I have. Probably very bad. Oh wait, so I think... Okay, so I came down here. Then I just went this way, so we're gonna close that off. Yeah, sloppy job, but whatever. Then come around here, and it just connects back. Okay. So when I come... Whoa, iron. Okay. Alright, I am not lost. Oh jeez, wow. That could be a very good trap. Okay, so I came around here. Okay, this can be closed off. Alright, and this can too. Whoa. Here's zombies. Okay, I think this episode is already running kind of long. Yeah, it's at like just under 10 minutes. So I'm probably going to end off the episode in the mine this time. And probably start out of the mine. But I want to finish this first. Finish what I started. Wow, I have 34 iron already. Okay, I'm going to close that off. Come around here. Okay, that's done. Come here, this is done. And just keep going forward. I am conquering this strip mine. Or this, not strip mine. Why did I say strip mine? I am conquering the mine shaft. That's the word I was looking for. Okay. So, yep, there's my lava thing. Why didn't I just do this? And I hear skeleton. Here we go. Oh, I forgot to turn it back to peaceful, duh. Alright, maybe I'll play it easy, but for now I am playing peaceful. Whoa. Alright, so I remember being here. Yeah, I came down around here. Okay, is this how I get back up? Oh, it is. Okay. I'm just gonna mark that off like that so I know which way to go. Okay, back up these stairs. And I totally forgot I have to eat something. I'll eat this one bread I got from the chest. That didn't do much. But I am back going up towards this dirty square. Okay. So, this has kind of been productive, but it kind of just did the same thing as the last time. So, I might go a little long on this video. I don't know. Cows, shut up. Yeah, well, let's start cooking the iron. I'll decide then. Okay, so we planted some melons, which will hopefully grow soon. And, oh, I'm almost out of cobblestone. I never thought I'd say that. But, okay. Yeah, this episode is running almost to 13 minutes. So as soon as this iron is done, I'll call it a video. Wow, I have a lot of iron. I want to make one piece of iron. I'll do a chest plate just because I have that amount. Da da da! Wait, and we still have 27 iron. That's pretty good, I think, at least. 11 iron. So we'll have like around a little under a stack, about 50, when this iron is done cooking up. So, looks like only one tree has grown, but I think that's because this one is blocking it. I don't know, though. Too bad you don't start out with anything other than a bucket and a spawn egg. Wish you could start out like with a mushroom, like in Skyblock. One of my favorite servers right now is, what's it called? It's called Fnatic. It's play.fnatic, PHANATIC, MC.net. Alright, goodbye everybody.